this is what your dashboard on Panoramata could look like. All right. On this account, I'm following 10, maybe 12 brands. And on this dashboard, I can see all my competitors' digital marketing updates in one place. All right. Here I have a little summaries of what they've been up to recently, a table with all the most recent updates, a few statistics on who's been the most active on email, on ads, who's been sending the most optimized emails, which kind of ads, the most recent emails are here along with a few stats. And in a few seconds, I know exactly what they've been up to recently and what they've been doing. And if you'd like to get a bit more detail, you can, of course. The first thing is you can access any brand page to understand what they've been doing since up to 3 years, actually. And clicking on your feed, you'll see all the updates in one place. Email, ads, SMS, and you'll get access to everything there. And if you want to have access only to the emails or the ads, you can click on a tab here as well. Cool thing is, if you see something interesting, you can click on the save button here and it will add it to one of your lists on Panoramata right away. It makes it so easy to track your competitors on a weekly basis. So actually, when something happens, when they're doing something, you can instantly know, so you can inform your own marketing strategy, improve your growth, and go beat them. Take care, speak soon, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.